To enable or disable voice assistant in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select screen reader. To enable voice assistant, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Allow voice assistant to have full control of your phone. View and control screen, view and perform action. Tap allow if you sure, or tap deny if not sure. Okay, allow. Double tap to select if voice assistant is on.
One UI home. Overview. Showing home screen. Page 1 of 3. Default page. Recent tabs. Screen reader.
Turn off
voice assistant off.
Double tap to select if voice assistant is enabled.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader. When voice assistant is on, your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn voice assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off.
Okay, thank you.
Same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears in list 5 items.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Turn off voice assistant off.